If you don't have a PoE switch, you have to use this. One comes with every counter. Okay? If you don't use it, good for you. Keep one in the van. You've always got one spare. Maybe you need to install a Wi-Fi somewhere. You've got a PoE
Or
injector.
intercom.
Yeah, or an intercom, or whatever it might be. You get a PoE injector. Okay? In fact, I have a box downstairs of PoE injectors for Footfall Cam. Because when we did the ones of Mercury, 20 whatever it is counters, they were on PoE switches. So we didn't need them. Okay? So that's handy. And these have a place where you can screw them onto the wall, or obviously you don't screw them onto the gypsum where people can see it. You put it on top. Obviously this would then go in the cabinet, so that then obviously just you bring the cable from the counter in one side, okay, it'll actually tell you to counter and to the switch. It's actually tell you what to do on this. Child's play, okay? Mela, other things that are important, okay? That is the LED. That LED is going to tell you a lot, okay? This one has this little, next to the camera, LED, okay? Yet again, it will tell you a lot. If I take this one first, Mela, normal operation. Normal, okay, we can actually plug it in and I'll show you one. Let's have a look. I've got my cable that I've just prepared. So we can plug in. Then let's open it. This one, to open it, you just squeeze these in. We've got one on each side. Okay. And we just shove in our cable. In fact, let's just do that, because if we want to close it, we can. Okay. And we can see it's turning on. Okay. And we've got this light. Mela, the light you want to see with this is blue. Blue is normal operation, okay? If you see green, it means it counts as somebody going in. So in other words, it should flash green, it shouldn't stay green, okay? I don't know if I can make it do it just with my hand, probably not. Okay, it can't be going out. If it goes red, it's counting somebody going out. If it is pink, flashing, it means it has power. You can't, it's not going to count your hand, because your hand is not the same shape as you.
Has power but don't have link.
Sorry?
Don't have link.
Exactly.
The same line we got the other one.
I'm going to explain, because that's different colours. So this is, if you want to write down for this Eurocam, this is the Eurocam counter. EURE. In fact, it's counting me as I move it around. Okay. Okay. So, if I leave it normal, it will just stay blue. Okay. Our link light and stuff will flash. As I said, green means somebody's coming in, red means somebody's going out. If it's flashing pink, it means it has power but no internet. Now normally, if it's a PoE switch, you've got both or you've got nothing, okay? Unless the cable got damaged. Or they moved your wire onto a switch that's not PoE. But if it's not PoE, this will turn off, obviously, if you're only using this cable. This one has a power input of 12 volts. Some of the older counters or some of the shops that we did at first weren't using PoE switches because they were expensive, so therefore they had normal switches. So we were putting a 12 volt supply into here. Okay, standard, the 5 amp that we normally use. This doesn't draw anywhere near 5 amps, but we were using the normal CCTV power supply. Okay, so that's a point at where you definitely could have power, but no network. Okay, that's a possibility. So what we're going to do now, if I go over, just a second.